Hi, welcome to this video in the KuCoin exchange grid trading bots. Today, we'll be discussing what grid trading bot is, how the KuCoin grid trading bot works, and why you might consider using it as part of your cryptocurrency trading strategy. If this kind of content is what you like, please hit on the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. Let's go on a short break. Welcome back. Grid trading is a trading strategy that involves placing multiple buy and sell orders at different prices in order to profit from price volatility in the market. It's based on the idea that in a volatile market, the price will often oscillate between two levels. By continuously buying low and selling high, grid trading bots aims to capture profits from these price swings. The KuCoin grid trading bot is a bot that's designed specifically for use on the KuCoin cryptocurrency exchange. It uses a grid trading strategy to execute trade on your behalf. Here is how it works. Log into your KuCoin app. I will leave the link on my description. Go to trade. Click on trading bots. Click on grid trading bots. Go to cryptobubbles.net. I leave the description below too. You will see a lot of bubbles around here. I will select the one that have pumped well, that have traded at least up to a year. So let us click on Tron. Okay, there is no turn in this grid market. Let us select light, LIT. Okay, let us go to a day and see how the coins look like. As you can see, you will see how the coin is going. See how the coin is going. We go to custom, and this is my strategy. You will see once the coin reach this particular point, the coins always bounce back and go up. So I will mark here. And also I will mark here. So which is 0.4823 to 2.13 350. Number of grid. I'll use 100. Based on what I can see here, I can use 80. But remember, more you are using grid, more the amount you put and more profit you will make. Here, they said minimum here is 25 USDT. That's the minimum amount you will put. Let's say 50. I'm having insufficient balance because I have not fund this particular account. But I know that with what I did, you know what I'm trying to do. The calculation and where to get the coin to trade on. You go to crypto bubble and select all these coins that have pumped. They are the ones that you will select. Don't select all these ones because they are not doing well. All these ones on red, they are not doing well. The strategy I want to show you today is select the pumped one. Select the pumped one. They are the ones that you will select and trade and make a very good profit. There are several benefits using the KuCoin grid trading bots, which includes automation. The bot does the work for you, so you don't have a constantly monitor of the market. Consistency. The bot follows a predefined strategy, so you know exactly what it's going to do in any given market condition. Risk management. You can set stop loss orders to limit your potential losses. Why the KuCoin grid trading bot can be a useful tool for cryptocurrency traders? It's important to keep in mind that there are also potential risks involved. Here are a few things to consider before using the bot. Market volatility. Grid trading is most effective in a volatile market, so it may not be the best strategy in flat or downtrend markets. Risk management. As with any trading strategy, there is no guarantee of success and losses can occur if market conditions change unexpectedly. Research. Make sure to thoroughly research the strategy and understand the potential risk involved before using the bots. That's a quick overview of the KuCoin exchange grid trading bot. By using a grid trading strategy, the bot aims to help traders capture profits from price volatility in the market. However, it is important to understand the potential risk involved and to practice caution when using any type of automated trading tool. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below comment section.